talk about a fresh salad. This was just picked an hour ago.
Well, we're going to harvest tomorrow.
Here, I got it.
We have hydroponics, we have grow beds, we have cement blocks, and we have about 28,000 square foot of just garden there where we provide food for the cafeteria and also the soup kitchen. So far we've done about 17, 18 tons of food in the 6 years.
Something that we can incorporate things from the garden. So this has kind of got the crunch and the softness because you're going to saute these onions up. This is not your mama's salad, is it?
When we plant them, sometimes it'll take maybe weeks, a month, possibly days even. We just either cut them off with the cutters or just twist them off. They have improved. It's a lot healthier and they taste a lot better.